there. The windy conditions are giving allergy sufferers, of course, a really tough time.
As the night team's Mallory Hoff reports, doctors say it could be just the beginning.
Kind of a wheezy, sneezy kind of day.
Mainly itchy eyes, runny nose and everything.
Gusty winds whipped up pollen and a recipe for discomfort for those who suffer from allergies and asthma. Kaiser Permanente allergist Dr. Na-Young Kim told KCRA3 her office has been busy.
A lot of nasal symptoms, ocular symptoms, eye symptoms, nose symptoms, and allergic asthma.
Dr. Kim says high winds and dry conditions don't do allergy sufferers any good.
Right now, the tree and grass pollen is an issue. The tree pollen is off the charts. It's very high. The grass pollen will be following shortly.
Jeez. But this mom says she'll fight through her allergies, a small price to pay for weather conducive to playing outdoors.
It's a love-hate situation because I love being outside in spring, and I hate it because my eyes burn, my skin scratches. I just want to shower and get it all off me.
Her son told us he agrees and that his allergies are making his eyes itch.
We're getting to the point where people are getting more and more miserable, probably for the next few weeks.
Dr. Kim suggests seeing an allergist if you're experiencing symptoms, but if you do opt for over-the-counter medication, she prefers the generic versions of Zyrtec and Allegra. In Sacramento, Mallory Hoff, KCRA 3 19.
Dr. Kim says if you do suffer from allergies, it's a good idea to wash your pets more frequently this time of year as well.
A lot to take care of when it's that bad out there.